everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaylyn with BasicToBeauty here on YouTube, and for today's video I am back with yet another Dollar Tree haul, and this time it is for the month of June. Now I know that so many of you that are frequent Dollar Tree haul shoppers, you probably are aware that they have tons and tons of summer items and summer decor that is just perfect for this time of the year. However, I went with more of like some cute items that I can give as gifts, as well as I picked up a few items that I want to be using in a few DIYs in the near future. And of course, some items that I just picked up for myself that I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before, but I'm really curious to try out. So I do have a lot of items to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for the first items, I did purchase these 3 glass ceramic coffee mugs. Now, as you can tell, they are Star Wars themed. You do have Captain Phasma, Kylo Ren, and then of course the original Stormtrooper, and I just love these. Now although you do purchase them separately, I think 3 mugs for $3 is a smoking good deal considering how nice of quality these mugs are. What I love most about these is that they are legit Star Wars merchandise, which I think that is insanely cool, that you can purchase these items at the Dollar Tree for only $1 a piece. And for that quality, I think that that price point is amazing. Now, these items are also, they were also in the store as piggy banks. So if you are wanting to purchase these items, but you don't really want to have coffee mugs, or you're not really a coffee drinker, then of course you can purchase them as piggy banks as well. However, I did not snag one up because I actually do not use piggy banks anymore. But I love these items because I think these 3 pieces would be perfect to gift as a gift to any Star Wars fanatic, or you could just keep them for yourself if you want to. Now moving on to the next few items, I went with a coffee themed because, well, of course, if you're like myself and you love yourself some coffee, then you have to grab these. Now these are the 3 items that I did snag up. Of course, I grabbed this first one is a wooden sign that has all words related to coffee. We have coffee, Americano, we have mocha, espresso, Irish coffee, and the best part is I love how the outer corner has these little coffee beans lining it, and I just thought that these were absolutely darling, and I love that they paid attention to detail for something like this at the Dollar Tree. Now, still, because I was following with the same color scheme, I did purchase this little, I think it's a picture holder or a note holder, I'm not exactly sure. It's this wooden little coffee cup that says a fresh or a hot fresh coffee is the best way to start the day, and isn't that the truth? Oh my goodness, what I love most is that it has this little binder clip thing on the front of it where you can change out this little picture if you desire to maybe put like a little note or a picture of your friends or your family members, because on the back it already has a stand that is already ready for you to set up somewhere in your house or at your office desk, and I just think this was adorable. I think these 2 together with like a bag of coffee and maybe like a little coffee mug to give to someone, it would be such a fun, cute, easy gift. And then the last little coffee decor that I found, oh my god, I just love this when I saw this. Oh, so cute. It's this little glass or ceramic gold and white decor accent piece. I said that like 1,000 ways. It's just like a little ceramic figurine, okay, let's be honest, and it is gold, and it has like this little iridescent shiny feel to it, and it says okay, but first coffee. And then of course, moving on to the next gift idea, because I had coffee, what goes well with coffee? Donuts. So I did find a few donut items at the Dollar Tree this month, and I was just so excited to find these. Now, this little item right here is the Jute magnetic notepad, and it says Donut Forget. And it's pink and it's got 4 different assorted donuts on it, and it is the cutest little thing. It says it's about 60 pages, which I feel like that's standard for a notepad. And I love to have these around the house because I personally use them for grocery lists, but they would also be fun for anyone to like doodle on or write out memos throughout the day. It's just so stinking cute. And then if you are familiar with my channel, you guys know that I do like to give pens when I gift out anything paper related. So of course I had to purchase this blue and white striped pen that had this cute little squishy donut on the top. It's like this little donut with pink frosting and white sprinkles, and honestly it has the same feel as like a stress ball, so it's got like that foam squishiness feel to it, and I just think it's so darling. And then last but not least, I did have to purchase this super insanely cute notebook that says Life is Better with Sprinkles, and it has all these fun sparkly donuts on it. And oh my gosh, this notebook, if you've seen it on any other YouTuber channels, you guys, it is even cuter in person. Like, look at this. It's seriously like the attention to detail. Like it says, doodle it, today I thought about, and then it has dreams and goals and how I chilled today, love this, don't forget to do. It is so stinking cute. Like, oh my gosh. I think the attention to detail, the amount of attention to detail that they put in this little book for only $1, amazing, mind-blowing, game changer. I love it. It honestly reminds me of the Wreck This Journal books that I know are really popular right now. It's just so cute, and I think these 3 items together, maybe with a gift card to Krispy Kremes, would be such a fun gift idea. Okay, so for the last items, I did snag a few unicorn items because these were just too darling to pass up. So the first thing, we have this little metal pencil case that has 2 little unicorns on it, and it says Wild and Free, and it is just too darling. I thought that this was so cute, especially for $1. And honestly, I think this is just so cute, especially for anyone that has kids, that their kids are going back to school in the fall. This would just be such a cute little pencil case for your little one to have. And then of course I did have to snag this unicorn letter set, which I have seen so many other YouTubers have as well, but it is seriously the cutest thing. It comes with 2 cards, 4 letters, and 6 envelopes. And it does say hello on the cards, and it has an adorable little unicorn. And I think for all that, for $1, that is a really good price point, especially if you are someone that likes to send out cards to those that you love, or just like little love notes for your other significant other or your partner. These are just so adorable. And of course, again, I like to pair it with a pen, so I did find this super cute fuzzy unicorn pen, which I mainly bought this because I love the little fur, like the fuzzy little fur on it is so cute. I've never tried it. I don't know if it works. I don't even know what color it writes, but you know what? It doesn't matter, because you know what? Again, these 3 as a gift would be so stinking adorable. And you know what I was thinking of gifting this with was maybe like a little gift card to Claire's, or Icing's, or maybe even Justice. Like, what little child would not love to get this? All right, so now that I showed you guys all the little gift novelty items that I snagged, I'm gonna be showing you guys a few items that I bought for myself that I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before, but I was really excited to check them out. So the first thing we have, of course, is this ceramic black, white, and gold little trinket tray. It says it's a little trinket tray, and it says Nat Queen, and it has these little false lashes on it, and oh my gosh, isn't this so cute? I was so excited to find these. I've seen some other YouTubers buy the other ones, but I thought this one was the cutest one because, funny story, all throughout high school, I loved taking naps. Like, I would take naps pretty much every single day, to the point where my mom started calling me Sleeping Beauty, and she still calls me her Sleeping Beauty. And when I first saw this, I just thought of Sleeping Beauty, and I love that it had the lashes because it's really girly and fun like me, and it just is so cute. this little wooden decor sign that is in the shape of a hexagon, and it's wooden, and it has like this little faux marble decal on top with a gold shiny saying that says "Make this moment." Now, I thought this was really fun that you can actually hang this up in your house somewhere, or in your bedroom, or in a beauty room. But what I'm going to be using it for, hopefully if it works out, is I'm going to be unscrewing this little hook on the back, and then I'm going to hopefully try to use it as a mouse pad at work. Okay, now for these next two items that I'm going to share with you guys, I had to purchase these mainly because I thought they were like I was going to try more of a joke, but I still remain hopeful because if it does work, then Dollar Tree, we in business. Okay, so these are the two little foot masks that I grabbed. So this is an exfoliating one, and this one's a moisturizing one. And on the exfoliating one, it says it peels away calluses and dead skin cells, exfoliates and moisturizes, convenient wearable mask socks. And then the moisturizing one says softens cracked heels and rough dry feet, moisturizes and exfoliates, convenient wearable mask socks. Now, honestly, you guys, I've never tried foot masks in my entire life, so I don't even know what to expect, but I do know that my feet are crusted right now, and I'm due for a pedicure, and I'm too cheap to actually go and get a pedicure right now, or at least for this week. So I figured, you know what? Let's give them a try. But again, I have really, really low expectations. I will probably be doing a video on this. I don't know. Should I do a video on this? I haven't even thought about that. Yeah, if I did, then you guys, we're going to be like the best of friends because you're going to see some really crusted toes. And I don't know if you're all ready for that, but let me know in the comments below if that's something you'd be interested in, because trust me guys, we're family here. We're pretty open, so there's no such thing as a crazy idea, right? Last but not least, I did purchase, oh my goodness, I'm probably gonna have to just show the full frame of this, but I did grab one of these little doormats that says hello on one side, and then on the opposite side it says goodbye. And I just really, really loved the font. I thought it was super girly and modern at the same time. And I know it is small, however, I've been looking for a new doormat that I could put in front of my entryway at home because the one that I currently have was just falling apart and it looked really nasty. And considering we just wipe our dirty, nasty feet on it all day long, I don't really want to spend a whole lot of money on it. So I think that this is great for only $1. Alright, so now that I covered all the basics, I just wanted to show you guys a few last minute items that I did purchase from the Dollar Tree to hopefully incorporate in some future DIYs. So the first item that I have is this set of wired jute cord, and it is 7.5 feet long, and I think this is so cool for $1. Now, I normally am a huge fan of just jute twine in general, and I love wired metals, but the fact that this is wired jute twine or jute cord, like, that is so cool. I've never actually used something like this before, but I'm really excited to give it a try on one of my DIYs. Alright guys, and now we are down to the last final two items that I grabbed from the Dollar Tree, and oh my goodness, you guys, it would be an understatement to say how pumped and excited I was to find these items. It was an accomplishment, to say the least. So, the first one we have, I did purchase 9 of these black round mirror picture frames from the Dollar Tree, and I was so excited to find these. Now, they do have little hooks on the back that you can hang them up, and the DIY potential with these mirrors is just insane, you guys, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the DIY that I have planned to use with these mirrors. I hope it works out, because if so, oh my goodness. And then I did purchase 30 of these black mirrored picture frames, which I know y'all are probably like, girl, what? Did I hear that right? Yes, you're right. You did hear that right, 30. I went to 3 different Dollar Trees to get all 30 of these picture frames. Now these mirrors are so cool. I'm mainly using them for the mirrors themselves, not so much the picture frames, but you guys, wait until you see my DIY for that. Alright guys, and that concludes it for today's video. I had such a fun time hanging out with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before heading out. And as always, all the items mentioned in today's video will be listed in the description box below in case you guys are interested. And real quick, I just wanted to give a brief shout out to all my subscribers. I recently hit my first milestone of 100 subscribers a few weeks ago, and although I did not address it then, I'm addressing it now. That seriously, you guys, each and every one of you, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me that you even watch, like, and comment on any of my videos. I know it might not seem like much to you, but it means a lot to me, and I greatly appreciate all your support. And I seriously look forward to bringing original content to my channel for you guys every week. So make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on all my future videos. I'm Jaylyn with BasicToBeauty here on YouTube, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys again for watching. Be safe, guys.